I'm Dimas Yunani at Kentang channel. Today I will show you how to cook Indonesian chicken soup. What I need is 1.5 kilo chicken, potato. I use 4 carrot. I use 7 carrot, garlic 4, black pepper. I used 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon salt, cabbage, and 2 onion. We add olive oil, we add onion, lovely. After we add garlic, lovely. If the smell already nice and a little bit browny, we add chicken. Now we add chicken. We fry it 10 minutes. Chicken wing 2. We add more olive oil. Lovely. We stir. Okay. After water, first we add 1 liter. Lovely. We add 1 liter more. And we boil till 45 minutes. Okay, now we add nutmeg 1 teaspoon. Lovely. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. We add salt half teaspoon. Now it's stirred. This is already 25 minutes. After the 45 minutes, we add vegetable, cabbage, potato, and carrot. Now we add half liter, 500 milliliter water. This is already 2.5 liter. We wait until 10 minutes after we add everything. Now we add potato. Lovely. Also carrot. Okay. And we stir. Put more salt, 1 teaspoon. Lovely. Stir. We wait until 45 minutes and we add cabbage, and still remaining 25 minutes more after everything is ready to serve. Now already 45 minutes, we add for the last cabbage. stir. We stir. Okay. Now we add more 500 milliliter. We add more salt, half teaspoon. And we close. We wait till 25 minutes and everything is ready to serve. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Indonesian chicken soup is ready to serve. Lovely. Try this tasty chicken. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching and support. Bye.